Hi everyone. In this video, we show you how to sign up for the Copy.ai affiliate program. First of all, open up the Copy.ai site. Copy.ai is the fastest way to get work done with generative AI. Copy.ai was a platform that provided AI-powered copywriting assistance and content generation tools. It was designed to help users generate various types of written content quickly and efficiently, such as marketing copy, blog posts, product descriptions, and more. Let's move on to the Copy.ai affiliate program. Search for it and then tap to open up the Copy.ai affiliate program site. To quickly start an action plan, the first thing you need to do is share your link and get paid. Then after that, encourage your audience to take action. Now help your audience succeed with Copy.ai. After that, use Copy.ai to grow your own business. Then scroll down and tap on the Earn Money as a Copy.ai affiliate program link. After that, tap on Apply to be a partner. But currently, the Copy.ai affiliate program is currently closed to new applicants. So you can try later. Just simply follow the steps we have discussed earlier. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.